Hey guys, welcome to my channel, King Kayaking. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe. I'll be putting out stuff weekly. It goes to reviews, to cooking eventually. Once it gets warmer, I'll start doing some paddleboarding, get some of those videos on there, and hopefully some more backpacking coming up and some more kayaking. So today, I'd like to talk about my 3 favorite ways of getting a fire going. We got this here. This is the Bear Grylls. I think it's Gerber. Yeah, it's Gerber. It's an awesome fire starter. Very reliable. I mean, what can I say about it? It starts fires. It sparks. The spark is really good. I mean, as you can see here, it's a good spark. Always gets fire going pretty quick. Don't have any issues with it. Plus you get a little whistle, pretty cool. And this top comes off and you got a little cotton ball in there in case of emergency. If you don't have anything with you, cotton ball will do the job. Get the fire started at least. And there's a bunch of SOS signals and stuff, instructions on there, but it's kind of, they rub off over time, so I don't really use that. But little useful advice, little tips and stuff printed right on there, help you out. But I got 2 of these. I love it. Next up, little thing I never would ever imagine being so useful. It's a little fire blower. I don't know what they're officially called, but that's what I call it. Fits right in your pocket, light, extend it, get the fire going. I mean, they're like $5. Get one. They're so freaking awesome. Last up, we have these, which I got advice from some friends on how to make, and just added some lighter fluid. But you get those little makeup pads from Walmart. You get a whole bunch of them, real cheap, and you get some wax, melt it down. Once it's melted down, I throw in some lighter fluid, so it takes an instant spark. Rip them up before you use them. It's just, they light a lot easier, a lot quicker that way. So I'll show you how to make these coming up. All right, to make those little fire starters, what you'll need is pan, candles, aluminum foil, these little makeup things, and some lighter fluid. That's all you need to make a really good, inexpensive fire starter. Get your pan out, boom, like so. Get some foil, good amount, like that. Line it. Ain't gotta be perfect, something like that will do. So we got the stove going right now. It's all heating up. It'll get a little hot. I'm just going probably medium high heat. Get it kind of going here. I'm gonna remove the wicks from the candle. Right here. Take that off. Just like so. Remove wick very easily. Toss it in there. We'll probably do about, I don't know, 3 or 4. Don't want to make that big of a batch. Oh. And just so you know, so I didn't ruin any like tongs or anything. I found like a broken, it's stuck together, but I'll get it figured out. But just a clothes hanger that is broken. I just took the little clipper part so I could pick out the pads once they're done. Since that's all melted, I turn the heat off. It takes it a while to re-solidify, so you can take your time with it. No rush. A little smoky, it's fine though. It smokes a little. So here we got our pads, just like so. Now you gotta be really careful with this lighter fluid. You know, you don't want it to ignite as soon as you freaking put it in there. It's burning up pretty quick. Just a little. not too crazy much. Probably the most dangerous part of this whole process, but just lay them in there. Just gotta make a few today. Just use your little poker, whatever you want to call it. Probably throw some more in there. Don't want to get wax anywhere. Super careful about getting wax anywhere. It's a pain in the butt to clean up. So throw that. Bada boom. Bing. Boom. That's probably good enough. The ones in there will probably be a little oversaturated, so you need to kind of get some other pads on top of there to take from the bottom ones. We'll get us some foil. And you use your little pinchers. There you go. These things are perfect. They're easy to make, they're super cheap. I think I spent less than, what, $5 getting all this crap? Well, not the lighter fluid or the foil, of course, but you know, those you can use for other purposes. There you go. And that will last you, that right there will last you, I mean, I only have like 20 made or so last time, and that's been months. So, and they burn for a while. They're excellent. They're freaking awesome. Get these bad boys in the fridge. Sand in the middle there, not cool. The wax kind of holds it on there, makes it stick. I acted like I knew that, but I didn't. I just got lucky. So I made a boo-boo. I probably should have double layered the foil on here, because some of it leaked through. So what I'm gonna do, get some really hot water going. And I already pat dry this as best I could, so get out that as much as possible. So I'm gonna let this get really hot, wash it out. Hopefully it'll melt away any residue from the wax. So here I'm trying to get a fire going. I had to cut out the audio because I mean there was a storm coming in and it just got so stinking windy. Camera fell over quite a few times, but yeah, you can even get a fire started in this kind of wind. It just takes a little time and effort. I had recorded a decent fire going. I don't know, the recorded footage just was all blacked out, and it may be because it took a fall. I don't know. Hopefully I was able to teach you a thing or two. My camera fell about 4 or 5 times, and man, it made it real difficult to get a flame going. Even in super windy conditions like this, you can still get a flame going and get a fire built pretty quickly. Just even with a little sparker, a little fire starter. It just takes patience. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, like, subscribe, share this video. Helps me out a lot. Catch you on the next trip. Peace.